Hello, Namaskar. This is an invitation to schools who are futuristic. This is an invitation to schools who want to make their children ready for the future careers. This is an invitation to schools who want to envision world better and sustainable. This is an invitation to all of you to contribute towards a new revolution, which we are calling it an idea revolution. A lot of things are changing around us. With rapidly fast technological advancements, India already at a global center stage. Happenings on the climate change side, challenges due to the over-digitalization. I think we are changing very fast. And this change would mean our new generations have to be equipped with a different set of exposure and skills. These skills could be like solving some problems, being imaginative, more creative, innovative, embracing changes, developing empathy, becoming an entrepreneur, and many more. So, what do we do to equip and instill these skills in the future generations? There would be a different set of careers which are going to take shape, which will have a blend of science, spirituality, and sustainability. Innopreneurs Season 10 Juniors is one of such opportunities that we are bringing out for such schools like yours. This is where children can feel free to be imaginative. This is where children can absolutely feel liberal to express their ideas, which could be as crazy as you can never imagine. Every children is a kind of a gifted soul. They are imaginative, they are curious. So here is an opportunity for all children to come forward and share their piece of imaginations and ideas. This is a global idea and innovation contest for children under the age of 18 years, where anyone can participate. This could be an imaginative idea, a new thought, a new superhero, a gadget, a new device, or it could be a project which they have developed in their school as part of science, social science, or any subject which could have some real life relevance, or it could be a startup idea or a business idea. So participants get training, mentoring, apart from global exposure, and even funding support as part of this junior contest. So this is a chance for your schools to make your children equipped with these skills for the future and excel. Lemon brings in the 10 years of experience and expertise of nurturing, supporting, training, guiding, mentoring young innovators, creators, and entrepreneurs. We are on a mission now, a new mission at Lemon Ideas, where we want to touch upon 1 lakh children in next 3 years. I invite you and your school and your children to be part of this next big revolution called the Idea Revolution. Thank you. Aapki Jai Ho. Namaskar.